Alright, so I have this table in my computer room. This didn't come on there. This is something extra that I got. You know, a very like large keyboard tray. I love this table. It's very simple to set up. The only thing I would say is when you're setting it up, be careful with these little bars. There's a hole, two holes on each of the poles. If you're not paying attention, you'll have the holes on this side, and then you're gonna have to disassemble it like what happened to me and flip it around and reassemble the whole thing and end up taking an hour when it should only take you like 30 minutes, maybe less depending on your skill. The lights are great. You turn that on, you know, you see the lights. Yeah, and what I like too is I could have brought this tray up here, but because I didn't want my computer to be hanging out, or you know, I wanted to sit on top of there, I had the option to drop it down to the lower level. So for the price, I'm surprised at the quality. Like, it's really good, like premium feeling quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all.